Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to safely remove a splinter from your hand and properly treat the wound. Before starting the procedure, make sure your hands are washed and the tools are prepared. Carefully extract the splinter with clean tweezers, ensuring all splinters are removed. Now, treat the wound with antiseptic solution to prevent infection. Finally, apply sterile dressing material and secure it with adhesive tape. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.